Ready to know which shades will make up your future phone? The colors for Samsung's Elite recently published a teaser for the stunning Galaxy S25 series, confirming the big date, January 22nd. Mark your calendars for 2025, since that's when Samsung will officially debut its Galaxy S25 line. However, the excitement doesn't stop there. A new leak from the legend Evan Blass revealed the official colors for the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus come in blue, black, coral red, AC blue, mint, navy, pink, gold, and silver shadow. Titanium S25 Ultra hues include black, gray, jade green, jet black, pink gold, silver, blue, and white upon first glance. This assortment may appear extensive, but as is traditional, some of these shades will be exclusive to Samsung.com. The stunning rose gold, jade green, and jet black versions, for example, are said to be online exclusives, while the rest may form the major color palette for retail. Interestingly, Samsung is going all in on blue this year, with 3 unique colors for the S25 and S25 Plus: icy blue, blue, black, and navy, but no violet is in sight. Samsung appears to be leaning towards popular blues for 2025. Nevertheless, the previously rumored sparkling colors, such as sparkling green and sparkling blue, are not present in this new leak. This time around, it appears that Samsung has gone with more traditional names. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to stick to its luxury roots, with a titanium body, an integrated S Pen, flat edges, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, and a camera system that improves on its predecessor's exceptional performance. With a launch date only a month away, interest for the Galaxy S25 series is growing. Whether it's the colorful new colors, cutting-edge hardware, or Samsung's flair for surprises, these phones are shaping up to be the best of 2025. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.